What are the 10 most important questions you should ask any real estate agent that you're interviewing to sell your home? In a minute, we're going to tell you how to get all 10. Right now, we're going to give you the top 2. Number 1, you should ask the agent, what makes you different than all the other agents out there? What systems do you have? What marketing techniques do you have in place? What makes you different? And how can you help me get my home sold fast for the top dollar? Number 2, the second thing you should ask them is, what is your marketing plan for my house? What systems do you have in place that is going to get the word out there, that's going to be unique, that's going to get my home sold fast? What are your marketing systems? Now, we have 16 key marketing systems that we use to get your home sold fast. So I told you we were going to tell you about how to get all 10. Just let me know. We have an industry report put together by real estate experts of the top 10 questions you need to be asking any real estate agent that you're considering using them to sell your home. If you just give me a call, 832-721-0442, or text to that number, and I will get you this report free of charge, get it out to you right away. So if you like this video, please share it with a friend, click like, and if you like the information that we're putting out here. So I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.